morning, welcome to Monday. Heading down to Hartshill again, down to Nuneaton with a baby tank and some bits and bobs for the wastewater treatment works, so for the blinding light. So let's get this week started. Catch you in a bit. Oh. Well, here I am again. Third time on this job. I believe this is now six loads coming. I believe that is everything. I might be wrong, but I believe this is the lot of it. This is the end of it. Lee is just up there with the larger vessel on. I will just pull over here out the way. And we'll go see what the crack is. So I'll come back here in a bit with some offloading footage. Catch you in a bit.
A few minutes later.
Now you're clear with the headboard.
Not my idea of a fun time, ain't this? Already got the towing eye in, ready to come back out. We know we're going to get towed up the hill. The towing heavy Arctic up. And I can feel it sliding on the way down a little bit. I've got the exhaust brake all the way on, it's in manual, second gear, and I'm just not letting it run. So I've got everything working to hold the wagon back. Trailer's grounded out on ramps. Well, wasn't that an awful job? Bad enough going down the hill, move that move me out so you can see me, let alone getting turned round at the bottom. Couldn't turn round, well, couldn't even move out of where they parked me. So to put towing sling on, turn me around 180, and then excuse me, all the way back up the hill. I wouldn't have made it up the hill on my own. Just absolute balls up of a job. I'm there for 4 hours as well. Wasn't just a few minutes, it was 4 bloody hours. And when they eventually decided to get the stuff off the trailer, which was window frames, they managed to drop some and damage the side of the wagon. So I'm not happy. Wagon's damaged. One of the side sensors has been knocked off from where it was. That's the bit of the panel that's broken. So that needs fixing. Just should have not been undertaking that job at all. It's not what we do. Not what we're definitely not equipped to do. Go onto landfill sites. You need double drive. You need high suspension, not low ground clearance and Kelster bars and alloys. Single drive mid lifts. Just all wrong. We're done. We're heading back to the yard. I had yesterday off, so I got my windscreen fixed, thankfully. So far so good. It's been raining most of the day and it doesn't appear to have leaked as yet, unlike last time. Not sure if I was doing videos last time, but I've had, in my 3 years I've had 1 new screen, 2 new screens put in, and then they had to come back and backfill it because it was leaking. So yeah, hopefully they've done a better job this time. Got Velcro in my bag to put my pelmet back up. I've not got round to that today yet. Need to find my seam roller, like wallpaper seam roller. Works really well, pushing Velcro into windscreen really nice and tight without absolutely caning your fingertips. So we'll get around to that at some point. Got the tennies back in, got my lights back up. Nameplate hasn't gone back in yet. Thought that kind of looked weird. So we'll get stuff put back together gradually. Wagon's absolutely minging again there, even though I washed it on Tuesday. I can't wash it again for a few more days because of the windscreen. Although coming out of the tip I had to go through wheel wash, as you saw. But if I would have left that bit in, I may have stopped it after the tow up the hill or down the. No, I'll probably leave it in. Yeah. You already know because you've already watched it, whether I've left it in or not. I don't yet because I haven't edited, even started editing yet. Anyway, I've even edited Monday's bit of work. That's all ready to go. Just need to add on today, potentially tomorrow, depending on what I'm doing. But yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. If nothing else, I'll just do an outro. So I'll come back to you tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.
Half a mile, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A580, towards Manchester.
Well, this is the end of the week again. Just in the yard. Got trail to take down for MOT and one to pick up once it's been done, which is shortly. Yeah, about 10 minutes it's due to go in for MOT. Other than that, there's nothing to do other than tidy the yard up, which I've already started. But I've just lost the shunter, so I can't use that. Could grab Anton's wagon, I suppose, and use that. We'll see. So, please like, follow, subscribe, comment, any feedback, good or bad, always welcome. And I'll catch you next week.